Wait, mommy. Look at me here first. Say good morning. Oh. Where are you going? Yeah, we're going to the no, baby. Can I give this to her, babe? Nah, baby, no daw. It's dirty. Oh, I'll show you. Hi! Ba't nandyan kayo? Hi! Ba't di mo sinabi? Hinatid mo sana kami sa, doktor. Tata is here. Katitext mo lang eh.
Is it Javier? Come on.
Come on, let's go. Sige.
I have gift.
Wow. What's that?
Dispenser. So you drink water.
That's cute. Look at it. Baby, that's cute. Say thank you, Tata.
What happened? Why
Okay.
is Shulala?
Oh, let's look at
Don't
Tata.
drop it, don't drop it.
No, it's not that heavy. Magpa-free ride kami. Ang aga-aga naman, nag-text ba lang siya na punta daw sila dito. Sabi, pag labas namin, nandito na. So, may free ride kami. You sit in front.
I cannot sit in the front way.
You cannot? Oh, look.
What happened here?
Yeah, that's what I told you before. You got an accident right there on the corner.
Same one.
Yeah.
Okay, you sit,
No.
you sit behind, you sit behind.
Okay. Let's go, Kuya Tom Tom here. Yay. On the other side. Go on the other side.
Ano mo? Wait lang.
Bakit?
Dito sa kabila kasi. Timing. Good
What's
time
that?
na. Ow.
It's a good timing.
Doors?
Yeah. Hello. Today is the last day.
Yay.
Huwag ka magpa-music. Mag-copyright ako. Ay, Kuya Tom?
Tristan doing?
Doing good.
Eh. Say hey. What's my baby Yana? Look at your dress. Your pretty dress from Ate Malia. Look at that. It's a rainbow dress. Yay. There you go. Yay. Tingnan daw nila kung bukas na yung Robinson, magja-Jollibee sila.
Naka-record ka.
Ano sabi? Kuya, baka ma-out and balance ka dyan, baby, down.
Sabi daw?
Sabi?
Sabi?
Nahuli. Anong kaso? Mugshot. Kuya Tom. Peekaboo. Yana. Peekaboo. We can go home now. Yeah, peekaboo. Yeah, pretty. That's pretty girl. Oh, kuya. Kaingay naman. Oh, gulat yan ah. Kuya Tom Tom, Kuya Tom Tom. Kuya Tumtum, where are you? Where is Kuya Tumtum? Where is Kuya Tumtum? Wait, sabi.
Uy, nalaglag yung pera. Ebidensya.
Yan. Hindi ka po. Tuloy ang laban, tuloy. Kung natatakot sa'yo, Yana, baby. Hug, 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 hug. Yeah. Oh, hug,
Hug,
kuya,
hug.
Hug, kuya, hug.
Ayaw niya. Tiga. Tiga?
Mabigat ko ba sa'yo? Talaga yan. Pinabisan na rin ako. Stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Kuya Tom, take care. Punta na naman sila sa Jollibee. Abangers na magbukas. Hindi ko alam sa jowa, nandito na yung doktor eh. Hindi pa siya okay, Dok?
Okay na, pero alam mo yun, para just to be sure.
Okay, yeah.
Because we already have a patent line. You know? Ang ganda ng line. This is a good line.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just give it another one tomorrow. Then we're done. I'll remove it tomorrow. Okay.
So that's 2 shots
Oh,
tomorrow.
kita mo, nag-wrinkle na. Okay. So, are you walking now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're still limping.
You're still limping?
You're still in
Because
pain.
of still the pain is here.
There's still pain there.
Yeah. This one is because of the swelling also.
Yeah. Okay, if you notice the pain is somewhere in the joint,
Yeah.
because before it feels like it's steady, you know. Now there's already articulation now, movement now, you know. Okay. You're not getting any younger, of course, you know. So after a long immobilization, your joints you will feel your joints.
Yeah. Actually, I was thinking of putting the plaster
Yeah.
just to give some support
Yeah.
and start walking.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But-
That will help also in the squeezing out of the fluid there.
Okay.
Because just don't to make it too tight that you know.
Yeah.
Okay,
But not at night because last night you're putting that one.
okay lang yun.
Okay lang?
Oh,
Yeah.
you can do that because that compresses things.
Yeah, because I put in the night I was sleeping.
Yeah.
I just put my leg in. I felt a bit relaxed.
Yeah.
You know? And then she came. No.
No, that will help. Actually, in US they put a compression stocking.
Yeah.
We don't do that here because it's too hot.
Yeah.
You'll moist.
I have compression stocking at home. I used to wear that.
Yeah, you can use that one
Yeah,
instead.
you can use that at night if you like.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So until you can have
yeah.
it till
Because you have varicose veins a lot.
Yeah.
You have poor circulation on this part here.
Yeah.
so you can wear it stocking every day, Doc, right?
Yeah.
Mm. So you have to wear
I
that.
rather like the plaster.
Yeah.
It's more airy because the plaster
Yeah.
has holes.
Yeah, it's maano yung ano, para ka naka-jacket na
If I
Kulog.
wear the stocking, I start itching more.
o yan, kukulubin
okay.
ka. Yun ang problema dito sa kaya
Mm.
it's not popular here.
Yeah, you have that anyway. You can put that
The
one.
elastic bandage, it has holes.
Yeah.
That's why it's aerated.
Yeah, exactly. That's when you use the prescription.
For what?
Almost finished. We have the
For what?
For the tablets. The vessel open and
That's the
Clamidin.
maintenance though?
The vessel tube, you will maintain that for like a month probably, you know. Just to increase the
And the
circulation.
Clamidin.
Clindamycin. But well, I prescribed you.
Yeah. What is that for actually?
It's an antibiotic also.
Ah, okay.
So how long you gonna take that one though?
But binigyan ko na siya ng...
Yes.
You
Yeah.
just finished that one.
No, not yet.
No, we just
Actually, we
just purchase half of it.
Yeah.
So half we purchase
Yeah.
probably tomorrow we'll purchase half.
But you lost the press?
No, it's here.
We
Oh,
have
okay. Just complete that one.
Okay, then
We're
after
done.
that, we're done.
It's total of 2 weeks then.
Okay.
Okay.
So tomorrow, Doc, it will be another 2 shot also?
Yeah,
At
that's
once?
the last one.
Okay.
Then we're done.
Is there any question?
Huh?
Do you have any question?
So we have each cream. Put the name of each cream.
I remember we asked you that. He said they just use Ayana's lotion is better.
Itching is coming.
Yeah, the one that he told us, clindamycin, is that the one?
Right? Yeah.
Clindamycin something?
So are you going home or are you going to Jollibee?
Yeah, I think they're going to Jollibee. Why? Why?
Drowsy now.
Is what that? Is that? I thought we already. I thought we're done. Oh, not yet. One more.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought we're done. Pangalawa pa pala.
Your body, you clean yourself. You do the work. After that, take it and then
Because that's wear and tear, man. That's too much activity of the muscle. So you compromise the circulation, you know. I just want to kind of
Ayana!
Ano yung anak mo, ma? Dalawa po. Ano yung lalaki?
Ay, hindi po yung kahapon.
Malaki na?
Ay! Nakita mo ako. Going home. Oh, look at the dog, baby Yana, under the car. Sleeping. The dog sleeping. Gising na naman tubo ka sa maga tong batang ito. Sama na naman siya. Sasabihin pa naman niya, brum, brum, brum. Yeah, tomorrow maybe is the last day. I thought today is the last day. So you have to go back there tomorrow. And the last, brum, brum, brum. And then after that, don't wake up so early, okay? You woke up so early lately. Huh?
yeah, for about 6 days.
Yeah.
That was 6 days.
Oh, so, yeah, because daddy, sa kanya na yung lingwahe kuya. Oh. Daldal na yan siya. Don't put that in your mouth, baby, Yana. Dirty. Anto ka na, kuya? It's hot?
I see a pink.
Yeah. Say we're home. Hold it. Hold it, baby. Thank you, Tata, for the ride. Bye-bye, tataan, Kuya Tom. Bye-bye, tataan, Kuya Tom. Diretso mo na lang. So, we're here, baby. Bye-bye, Kuya Tom. Thank you, Te. Come, let's go. Yeah, they're going home.
Papa, the slippers.
Huh?
Papa, this.
Oh, we will bring that one.
Ayan na, baby. Wala mo tayo jolly.
Huwag muna. Palabas ako.